Hey everyone, want to filter data in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to filter data step by step. Yeah, filters help you display only the information you need, making your reports cleaner, easier to analyze, and more useful for your audience. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the report you want to edit. Make sure your report is already connected to a data source. Next, select the chart, table, or scorecard where you want to apply a filter. With the item selected, look at the data panel on the right side of the screen. Now find the filter section and click Add a filter. This is where you can create new filtering rules or use an existing filter you've already created. Choose Create a filter if you want to make a new one. Give your filter a descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Next, define the filter conditions. Select the field you want to filter. Choose a condition such as equals, contains, greater than, or less than, and enter the value you want to include or exclude. You can create simple filters or combine multiple conditions for more advanced reporting. After setting the conditions, click Save. The selected chart will immediately update to display only the matching data. If you want viewers to choose their own filters, add a filter control from the toolbar. So users can interact with the report by selecting dates, categories, campaigns, or other dimensions without editing the report. Review your charts after applying the filter to make sure the results match your expectations. If needed, return to the filter section and adjust the rules. And that's how you filter data in Looker Studio. With well-designed filters, you can create focused, interactive reports that make analyzing your data much easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.